So many people are intimidated by making mayo because they're afraid it's gonna be complicated. They think the mayo is gonna break, or they're worried because you're using raw eggs, but nothing to worry about. I'm gonna show you how to make fresh mayo that's gonna last a couple of weeks in your refrigerator. So you have 2 egg yolks and 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime juice, a tablespoon of Dijon, a 1/4 teaspoon salt, some freshly ground pepper. Use the lowest possible speed because mayo likes it really low and steady so it doesn't break. I'm going to slowly pour 1.5 cups of vegetable oil. So the mayo is gonna start thickening and emulsifying. You can see how the color starts to change. And then I'm adding 1/2 cup of the olive oil. I do more vegetable oil because I don't like a mayo that has a strong olive oil taste. I mean, just look at the beauty. It's beautifully emulsified and thickened. Adding 2 tablespoons of chipotle in adobo sauce. Why go through the trouble of making your own mayo? Because you can customize to your taste. I add more Dijon mustard. I want it with more flavor. I want it with lime, and I want it with chipotle.